So basically, the URL for this is StreamYard.com/giveaway. All right, I dropped that in the chat as well. How do you use it? How do you use it? Since a couple people said they haven't used it, that's awesome. I want to definitely be able to give you something that you haven't seen before. You go to this website. It's not a separate. You don't have to download it or anything like that. There's a little video you can watch it, but essentially how you use it, you just select a broadcast. Now, right now, I have a broadcast going on, which is this one here. So you select the broadcast, and then you can, if I leave it blank, that anybody in this chat who has made a comment will be pulled up once I hit this start collecting comments. All right, or I can put a hashtag in there, and I can do it that way. There's three different ways to do it. I'm gonna use the first way first. For everybody that's in the chat, I'm going to spin it to see whose name comes up. So let's just say, for example, I was doing a quiz. The quiz was, I'm going to give a prize to somebody in my chat that has been here for the entire time. So I'm going to go ahead and start collecting my comments by hitting this. And it says I have 13 people who have commented. And I'm going to click on draw. And this is going to go through. It's going to go through all of the names. The way how Blind Guy does it. Oh, we have a winner. What can I change is the winner. What can I change? Again, welcome to my channel. This is your first time here being my channel, and you're the first winner that I have ever picked out. You are the first winner that I've ever picked out. And guess what I'm going to do? Because we have a winner. I'm going to go ahead and give you the fireworks. So give a congratulations to our winner. What can I change? Everybody give a congratulations to our winner. What can I change? All right, let's go ahead and do that again. Big congratulations to our winner, who is What Can I Change? All right. Nice, says What Can I Change? You haven't seen this before, so this is pretty cool. Thank you so much for participating. Just by being here, you are the winner. What does the winner get today? Well, I was just doing an example, but the winner will get a shout out on my sponsor list. I will shout you out next week on my sponsor list, and I'll go and check out your channel, and I'll watch at least 3 of your videos. All right. So first time on this channel, first winner. Congrats, right? I know, isn't that awesome? So thank you for giving him the congratulations, guys. I'm going to do another one. This time, I'm going to do it like this. You're going to have to enter. You're going to have to enter a hashtag. So the hashtag is going to be team. Now the hashtag is going to be MJ Nation. All right, MJ Nation. Hashtag MJ Nation. No space. MJ Nation. All right. So go ahead again. I'm going to select my stream. I'm going to type in here hashtag MJ Nation. No space, and it doesn't have to be case sensitive. So all lowercase is fine, or even a mixture. So everybody just drop in here MJ Nation. Big Time Jump says it's rigged. That is not rigged. This is the first time I'm doing it. I'm literally my first time doing it. She Stole My Thunder showed me how to do this a day or 2 ago. And I said, you know what? We're going to go ahead and try it together. We're going to experiment. And here's the thing, guys. Anything that I show you, it's not me coming up with it. It's been shown to me, and I'm just showing it to you. And we can use it to enhance the quality, the production value of our shows. All right. So what I want you to do is actually try these things out. So I know that after last week's show, when I showed you the Cash App, the QR code for the Cash App, I know at least 1 or 2 persons tried it. So do go ahead and try it for your show to see how you can improve the quality of your show as well. Let's all do this together. Let us see here. Should we do like blind guy his wife their life and congratulate him on rigging the giveaway? No. Oh shucks. We'll save that for tomorrow then. No, yeah, we don't rig anything here. They might over there, but we don't rig anything here. So everybody go ahead and drop in MJ Nation, and I'm going to give another prize. When it's going to pull up, it's going to look for the words MJ Nation. So we have at least 10 people in here. If everybody's engaged, I should see at least 10 MJ Nations. So go ahead. I'll give you a few more minutes to drop the word MJ Nation. Teamwork makes the dream work. We talked yesterday. The days just blend into each other. Go ahead and drop in MJ Nation, and I will go ahead and do the next one. Yeah, I created a QR code for my PayPal and other stuff already integrated into into one of my into one video. Fantastic. That's excellent. Getty Radio Show is still with us. That's fantastic. All right, is everybody ready to do the next one now? All right, I'm actually going to do it like this time. I want to just make it smaller. I want you to see my face when I get excited. All right, MJ Nation. All right, so Marlene has done it. Lashes has done it. Lashes, you have to put the hashtag at the beginning, so it needs to be hashtag MJ Nation. All right, in order to qualify for this this one. And let me see, what can I give? What can I give the person who wins this? What can I give? You can be the first person to come up on my panel tonight. The first person to come up on my panel tonight will win this one. All right, so are we ready? Just go ahead and type in hashtag MJ Nation Lashes. All right, Lashes, go ahead and type in Lacious. Oh yeah, Lacious. I forgot. Let us call her Lacious. That's better. MJ Nation. That's Militia J Nation. You guys here, you're rocking with me. That means you're part of MJ Nation, and I really appreciate you guys. All right, let us go for the next one. Let us go. Are we ready for this one? Start collecting the comments. MJ Nation. I guess I should have showed you this on the screen first. All right, I've got 7 people. We have 7 people that are a part of this. Here we go. Here we go. Let's call this. I'm going to try to be like blind guy. Big time. Getty's. I can't read that fast, guys. I can't read that. Lashes Journey. Big time jump. Or Ferguson. Oh, Lashes Journey wins. Lashes Journey wins this one. So Lashes, you can be the first person to come up tonight. We give her a big congratulations. We get the fireworks out. Big congratulations to Lashes Journey. Everybody congratulate Lacious for us. Congratulate Lacious for us. Yay. So we have 2 winners so far. I better write this down before I forget. The first winner was I forgot what it was now. What was the name of the first winner? Gotta go. What can I change? All right. What can I change? It'll be one of my sponsors. I'll shout you out for a couple of weeks. And then Lacious. Lacious is the second winner who will be the first person to call up if she is interested in. All right. So what do you think? What do you think of those features? It might be new to some people. Some people have seen them on the other channels, but this is the first time that I'm doing it here. And of course, I'm going to be doing this each and every week to enhance the quality of the show. So congratulations again, Lacious Journey. Big congratulations. All right. Those are 2 ways. Now, there's one more way you can do this. There's one way you can do this. So I'm going to just stop that for a second. And it's just by putting in a word. It doesn't have to be hashtags. So we'll just try the third and final way. It doesn't have to be hashtag. For this one, I'm going to ask you a question. All right. What is my favorite color? What is my favorite color? You don't have to put a hashtag in. if you can guess my favorite color, then I will put that color in, and then we will see who wins. All right, so can anybody guess what is my favorite color? All right, what is my favorite color? Hint, hint. What is my favorite color, guys? I will, we have red, green, sky blue, and this time you don't have to put the hashtag in. We got red. We got red. Two people have said red. We've got red says She Stole My Thunder. All right. So I'm going to give a couple more people a chance to put in what they think the color is, and then I'm going to drop in the answer, which indeed is red. Okay. So I think I just type in red here, and then I'll start collecting my comments, and I see 4 people have put red in here. All right, so 4 people have put red in, and I'm going to just draw from the people that got it right this time. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Marlene, what can I? Lashes Journey, She Stole My Thunder. What can I do? Marlene TV, She Stole My Thunder. Lashes Journey, She Stole My Thunder. Marlene TV has won this one. Marlene TV. And I didn't say what you were going to win, did I? So Marlene TV, Marlene's going to win. Marlene's going to win something very, very special, which I haven't decided what it is yet. But Marlene TV is also going to be somebody who I mentioned in my sponsors. All right, so that's Pink. Pink says Lacious. Pink says Lacious. So let's everybody congratulate Marlene TV for the last one. Congratulations, Marlene TV. Good to have you be a part of this. Congratulations, Marlene TV. One more. Congratulations, Marlene TV. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun, guys? I love it. I love it. I love it. Who's that? Hey, First Gen Corporate. Welcome, welcome to the show tonight. It's good to have you dropping into show support. That is fantastic. I really, really appreciate it. How you doing, sir? How you doing, First Gen Corporate? It's good to have you here. All right. So congratulations. 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 Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the glitter. I love it too, right? It's so cool. I love the glitter. We're such girly girls, aren't we? All right. So that is how you do the that's how you do the what you call it, the what's it called, the giveaway tool. The giveaway tool. If you've never used the giveaway tool, put in a 0 in the chat if you've never used the giveaway tool yet. So I know after today you're going to use it, right? After today you're going to use the giveaway tool, and I'll drop that in. It's a free tool. It's just a browser. You just go to it in your browser. If you've never used it, let me know. If you've never used it, just put a 0 in if you've never used it, and if you're planning to use it. If you've never used it, that's another tool for you that you can use to enhance your shows. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So it's ever so easy to use, as you can see. It's ever so easy to use, and as well, if you go to the page itself, this little video will show you how to use it. I think this video is like 2 minutes 25. All right, so good to have you, Geddy. Good to have you, Geddies. We're gonna have you guys come up in a little bit after I go through a few more things off my list. All right. Okay. So you must be a StreamYard user. I believe you must be a StreamYard user to use that platform. Now, I do have some people on on Facebook. Let me just go and check my Facebook group. I do have a few people on Facebook, and if you're on Facebook and you're part of my private Facebook group, it does not show, it won't show your name. So you have to be a part of um, the YouTube, or you have to give permission to StreamYard in order to show your name and your face um, through Facebook. You know, Facebook and StreamYard, that needs to be shown. This tool here is available if you're using the free version of StreamYard or the paid version of StreamYard. All right, free or paid, you could still use that tool. Absolutely wonderful. All right, so finally, just to wrap up this information about the giveaways, what can you give away, right? You might be wondering, what can you give away? Here are a couple of ideas. You can give away your time, right? For example, if you're a consultant, if you are a teacher, an educator that can teach something, you can offer a 30-minute consultation, a 30-minute training session, an hour training session, depends on how generous you want to be. All right, so your time is very, very valuable. You can use that coaching session, an assessment of a website, if you do things like assessing websites, or if you're a creative and you can design stuff, you can offer a service like designing an overlay, designing a graphic, a logo, a background. You can offer something like that. Also, if you you could also offer things like gift cards. You could offer you can use the scheduling tools, the Calendly scheduling tools to have people set their put time into your schedule so that you can book a time. They can book time with you as far as the time is concerned. So time, money, of course, resources, ebooks, and other electronic items, which are easy to give, to get things to you. Like, you can just email the thing to the person once they win. All right, so I do have a free gift, and this is what I'll do. This is what I'll give to you, Marlene. Not that you need it, because you clearly don't, but I wanted to give you something. I have an ebook, right? The ebook is called something like how to be more confident on camera, or how to go live, how to stream live, and I'll send you that. I'll send you that as a freebie, since you won one of the spots there. All right. So I think that pretty much wraps up all of the techie things I wanted to share with you today regarding StreamYard. Let me know if you found this useful.